This video is a answer to a request from a fan. Josephine, this is for you. 76-year-old pickleball player who's very active, but who has overhead shoulder pain. So when she lifts her arm overhead, she gets occasional shoulder pain. What can I do about it? So here's some tips, some thoughts, and a couple of exercises that I want you, Josephine, to try, as well as everybody else. I think this video is going to be pretty good. So the first tip, whenever you're raising your arm overhead, we have a tendency to do it with a palm down position versus a palm up position. When you raise your arm overhead in a palm down position, and I don't want to get too fancy schmancy about this, but what you're doing is you're creating an impingement scenario where your upper arm bone pushes up into your collarbone right there in the tip, and that is enough to create shoulder pain. So one thought to make that easier, to give that shoulder a little bit more space, is to do activities as well as you can in an underhand position. So for example, if you are putting away the dishes from the dishwasher up into the cabinets, don't do it like that, do it like this. And you'll definitely feel a big difference. Now, let's go on to the exercises that can help. Now, believe it or not, oftentimes shoulder pain that's overhead is a result of stiffness in the back of your shoulder. So we want to stretch out the back part of the shoulder. Here's two ways to do it. Number one, put your arm against a wall and lean into it and twist just a little bit. So arms straight against the wall, and then turn towards the wall. You should feel a stretch in the back of your shoulder. Here is the other way you can do it. And that is, you're going to lie down on your bed or on your floor or anywhere. You're going to lie on your side. You're not going to be fully on your side. You're not going to be fully on your back. You're going to be like, halfway in between. Your arm is going to be out to here, meaning straight out at 90 degrees. You are going to bend your elbow to 90 degrees, and then you're going to take your other hand and you're going to gently bring it down towards the bed. Now, if my form is correct, it only goes to there, right? So I'm really focusing and concentrating that stretch in the back of the shoulder. I'm going gently and I'm going steadily. Watch this. If I did it all the way on my back, look what would happen. Oh, I'm all the way down. But I'm also letting that shoulder pop up. So by laying halfway onto that shoulder, I'm kind of acting as a third hand to keep that shoulder in place. So here is what that stretch looks like. And you can try it to both sides to see the difference between the left and the right. This is something you can do every day. And certainly the longer you do it, the more of a stretch you're going to get. And then finally, another stretch that I want you to do is you can do this with a towel, or you can use this fancy strap that I have. Either one is good, but you can do this with a towel. I don't mind that. You put it behind your back, and you're going to use the top hand to pull up the bottom hand. And just go nice and gently and see how high up you can go. Those are a couple good tips. You're going to like doing that. Again, use your own judgment. It shouldn't hurt. It's going to take time, but this will definitely help your shoulder pain for overhead activity. Thank you for the request. Keep sending those requests in, and I hope this helped.